Hi, this is Dr. Manjunath, fertility expert and laparoscopic surgeon. Welcome to my fertility talk. In this video, I am going to tell you about 5 myths about PCOS. Some of the medical conditions have the potential to change your entire life. You feel that you need to know more about it and you feel that you need to take control of that particular conditions. One such condition is this PCOS, and as I have told in my PCOS videos, this is the commonest hormonal imbalance which is going to affect the infertility or the fertility potentials. So 5 commonest myths about PCOS in general people have. Myth number 1, you tend to feel that you did something to cause it. So understand, this is a genetic imbalance. It's caused by some change in the genes. It may run in the family, it may not run in the family. Genetic means don't equal that into hereditary. Sometimes genetic need not be hereditary. So in your body some genes have changed which led to this hormonal imbalance. One hormonal balance has led to the other balance. Suppose if there is alteration in the FSH and LH ratio, that led to the increased estrogen hormones, increased androgen hormones, and that led to the insulin disturbance. So many hormones will get disturbed. So this is purely a genetic gene level changes. You cannot cause, or you cannot think that I have done something, that's why it has resulted. No. So that's the myth number 1, and many people think that I started some kind of OC pills, from that time it started. From that cycle, my cycles started becoming irregular. So people tend to think like that. That's not the truth. So just by taking the OC pills, you cannot cause, or you cannot invite PCOS into your body or into your system. So myth number 2 is, if you just lose weight, PCOS is cured. So it's again a myth. Just by losing weight, PCOS is not cured. Losing weight will help you control the PCOS. It will not cure the PCOS. Once a PCOS, since it's a genetic condition, it's going to stay with you. But you can do something like losing weight, diet, medicine. Keep that under control. So as long as you are doing these 3 things, the PCOS is under control. So you cannot cure the PCOS. Myth number 3 is, PCOS is a rare condition. It will not come. Don't think that. Nowadays, in general, in present lifestyle, in the situation like where we are more leading to a sedentary life, more leading to a life of luxury, people will not work out too much or not do physical activity much. So PCOS is increasing. Every alternative patient who comes to our clinic will be a PCOS. So that common is this PCOS. And the 5th myth is, you can't get pregnancy if you have PCOS. So that again, it's a big myth. As I was told, I keep telling in many of my videos, telling that PCOS is the commonest conditions where we can easily treat. 95 to 98% of the PCO will conceive by one or the other method. So nothing to worry about that. If you start taking charge of your life, changing the lifestyle, reducing your weight, controlling your diet, and taking certain kinds of medicines to control the hormonal imbalance, you can conceive easily. So that's a big myth. So be aware of that myth. And the 5th myth, commonest myth, is the PCOS only affects overweight women. It will not affect a normal weight or underweight. Many of the PCO patients can be normal weight or even sometimes underweight. In fact, the normal weight or the underweight PCOS is difficult to treat. So don't think that only weight is related to, the overweight is related to PCOS. Even a normal weight person or an underweight person can also have PCOS. So that's again a myth. So by understanding these commonest myths about PCOS, you can remove this kind of stress or this kind of thoughts from your mind, which will in turn reduce your stress, and it will help you to cope up with this kind of condition called as PCOS. So for more information, Keep watching my videos. Thanks for joining me.